Hello, this is my math quiz application for CIT365. I have created this application using C# language, and here I go. This is a simple window where we have a game, a math game. If I press start the quiz, this timer it began to work, and here I have the opportunity to test my knowledge of math. For example, if I type the different results that I think are right, and if I fail, I receive a message, sorry, you didn't finish in time. For the other hand, if I get a good perfect performance, for example, like this, here I have another message. Congratulations, you got all the answers right. So that is all my demonstration about this simple application. Here is my name, my full name, Pablo Antonio Lescano, Math Quiz. So that's it.